That released the big positive this morning. It's back below the 67 to the dollar mark. Manisha is here with some more perspective. Manisha.
Well, thank you, Aisha. As Mitul was pointing out, and as Nikunj also said, it is on expected lines because the RBI move yesterday on opening swap credit lines for the OMCs is something that has done really wonders for the rupee there. You have seen very strong sentiment, gap up opening coming in for the currency, but the cues really were coming in from the NDF itself in the market yesterday. Before the time the rupee shut shop, it was trading at around 70.50 is where you saw the NDF trading. But the opening, while the closing market saw yesterday, you were trading at 67.20, and there's exactly where the rupee also seems to have opened. You are looking at that freak trade coming in for the rupee. We still seem to be looking at that one right now, but the markets are expecting support to continue in case of the currency. There also is perhaps a diesel price hike coming by today or tomorrow, and that will further lead the rupee on the higher side. Rupee, as the finance ministry and most of the bankers have been calling, has been overshot, undervalued as well, and has been oversold into the market. You only had bids coming in for the longest time. For last 4 sessions, there has been no offer price coming in. So the rupee had been sliding one side only. You are looking at support coming in for the currency, and if there are more measures coming in, as the government has been promising in next 6 to 7 days, then some more support is in line for the rupee.